Hi guys, and welcome to another WordPress tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we put together this little site in about an hour the other day. Today what we're going to do is show you how to change the header from non-sticky, so it disappears like that, to a sticky header. And that basically means when we roll up, the header stays in place so people can access the menu at all times. So let's get started. We've got to write a little bit of code to do this today, but don't let that put you off. Any code that I write, I'll put below the video. Okay, well, let's take a look at this. First thing I'm going to do is inspect this. I'm using Google Chrome with the great inspector tools. Most browsers have this nowadays, but if yours doesn't, Chrome is a free download. So I'm going to inspect the header. And what we've got here is, here's our whole site header. You can see it's highlighting it in blue. And we built this site using the free Elementor plugin and the free 2020 theme. And this is what we're working with today. So there's the site header with what we want at the moment. Like I say, it's not sticky. It rolls up the page when we roll down. So firstly, let's make it position fixed. And you can see it's changed there already. And let's say we want it at the top, 0, right at the top. And as you can see, it's disappeared under our little bar up there. That's when we're logged in, but it'll view perfectly when we're not logged in. So don't worry about that. And we want to put it on the left, 0 also, and right, 0 also. As you can see, it's stretched back across now, and it's staying at the top there. It's sticking to the top. Okay, but when I refresh this will go back to normal. So we need to write this into our theme to make it permanent. To do that, we need to go to our dashboard, down to Appearance and Customize, down to Additional CSS. That's where we're going to write our code today. Let's just close this up. And let's see. Our header's got an ID of site header. So if I copy that, I'm just double left clicking on it. Control C to copy. It's an ID. All IDs have a hashtag in front of them. And then the name. Let's open and close some curly brackets. And we'll go back. Let's copy the code that we wrote and go back to our customizer and paste it in there. Now before I publish this, if I go back here and refresh this page now, get rid of the inspector, our menu's gone back to being non-sticky. So like I say, when we write it in the browser, it's not permanent. But if I go and publish this, now I refresh the page. As you can see, it's hopped up under our little WordPress login bar there, but it's staying where we want it. And just to prove that it's going to view perfectly, let's copy the URL and open an incognito tab, paste it in there. And there's our site. And as you can see, it's displaying perfectly. And when we roll down, it goes to where we want to go. And our menu stays exactly where it is. And that's exactly what we want. So there is how to create a fixed or sticky menu for your 2020 theme website. I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.